Ang estimate nung mga informante natin dun sa ICC, lalabas ito ng yung warrant naman ng June o baka mag-spill over sa July. Okay? Yun. Pero itong mga updates na ito ay nakukuha ko po sa mga persons privy to the investigation ng ICC.
Ano yung sinasabi ni Trillanes, guys? Probably ma-release na yung arrest warrant against the Dutertes and some others sometime in June or July. Tama ba yun? Ito talaga si Trillanes, ano? Diba? Si yung international law expert na si Attorney Harry Roque, sinabi niya na kumalas na tayo sa ICC, diba? Kumalas na tayo, and it is confirmed by our current president Bongbong Marcos na hindi na tayo member sa ICC. At still, palagi niyang mention na hindi tayo magko-cooperate sa ICC. So in other words, yung ICC pag nakikialam sa jurisdiction ng Philippines regarding yung drug war ni former President Duterte, so wala na silang business sa Philippines kasi hindi na tayo member. So yun, simple logic yun. Pero si Trillanes, palagi niyang ipinupush na talaga may arrest warrant na i-issue. Let's see how true it is. Anyway, kinaklarify lang naman natin.
Daming batches. The first batch, si Duterte, the father. The second batch, baka sina Bongo, Bato, at si Vice President Sara Duterte. Tapos ang third batch would be some PNP officials and other senior officials ng Duterte administration.
One is that comment lang po regarding sa sinasabi niya na yung issuance of the arrest warrant is by batch daw. Na nakapagtataka lang, bakit by batch? Para siyang land trip na first batch ka kasi hindi kayo nakakaasya sa isang sasakyan. So yung remaining others, so second batch na, then third batch. So ganon. Bakit by batch? Actually may idea ako a little bit about issuance of arrest warrant. After the preliminary investigation, then if there is a probable cause to issue a warrant of arrest, so yun, dyan ilagay na yung persons involved, for example sa war crimes, yung persons involved nakalagay na dyan sa arrest warrant. So yun, pag i-issue may names dyan, so hindi naman siguro by batch. Bakit by batch? Pag preliminary investigation, by batch ba? Parang hindi. So you have to look at the case in the entirety. So kabuuan na, kasi for example, yung involved president, yung mga PNP chief, hindi mo naman yun by piece na siya muna, then yung naman PNP chief, parang hindi ganon. So hindi dapat by batch. So it should be one arrest warrant that contains the names of those persons involved. Para akong pag nung nag-watch ako sa interview, para ako nakakatawa, pero maybe partly true, but that depends on the yung sa ICC, if true. Pero ako as commentator naman, naninindigan ako na wala talagang jurisdiction yung ICC as told by the international law expert and confirmed by our incumbent president.